To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, today I am giving the introduction of invitations. There are two types of invitations. First one is formal invitation. Second one, that is informal invitation. Very simple to be understood. Formal invitation means printed invitations are always formal invitations. The characteristics of formal invitation: it is always in third person, and informal invitation is always in first person. I am taking your formal invitation. If there is an invitation to invite to attend the marriage of one's daughter, how is that particular invitation be written? First of all, we have to take the center. From the center, the lines must go 50-50% equal in left and right both. In first line, Mrs. and Mr. A.K. Pachori request the pleasure of the company of. First line. In second line, Mrs. and Mr. XYZ. Then third line, on the occasion of the marriage of their daughter. Then in next line, on, it means here we have to bring date. At, we have to bring time. Now we have to bring the name of daughter, Preeti, with Mukesh. Under Mukesh, in bracket, we have to bring son of XYZ and the place, to which place the particular bridegroom belongs to. Then bracket close. Then we have to bring, after leaving one line, venue. Heading venue, dash, then the particular venue is to be mentioned. Then leaving one line, then we have to make the box. In the box, there will be programs. Heading programs is to be written at the top. First we have to bring date, then program, then time. XYZ date and welcome of Bharat, time, that is to be given 7 p.m. Then ABC date, next that is to be brought dinner and time 8 p.m. Then again 1, 2, 3 date, Pani Grahan Sanskar, then time. And then again we have to bring the date in fourth line and Vidai, oblique Bhigi Palke and time. In the next date, 5 a.m. After this box is to be closed. In left hand side there will be RSVP. RSVP means the name of Pratisthan, organization company, factory, firm. In right hand side, with best compliments from, and friends and relatives, or maybe the name of the particular person with friends and relatives. Actually, this whole invitation is to be set in a box. We all must know the word limit. The word limit must not exceed. This invitation is giving complete information. So this is your formal invitation. Second one, that is informal invitation. Informal invitation is always in first person. How? I'm glad to invite you on the occasion of the marriage of my daughter XYZ with such and such on date at time. I hope you will spare your precious time to bless the newly married couple. Please intimate. Then in right hand side we have to bring with best compliments from XYZ. It is also to be got set in a box. Now I have taken your two invitations. First one, that is formal. Second one, that is informal. I hope, I think you have understood how to write an invitation, formal and informal. Thank you very much.